Hey guys, SuperRad.Jap16 here, coming at you with another unboxing video. This is the Flip Power Adapter for fast camcorder charging package unboxing. It's a power adapter and fast and easy, keep your camcorder charged and ready to go. It just shows how to do it back here, and let's get into this unboxing. So, sorry about this. Here it is. Here we go. So I'm just gonna open it up real quick. It comes in nice packaging. The packaging is the normal Flip colors, white and blue, and it just has the logos and all that. So let me open this up. It opens up, and it has a pull-out case, and it does have some stuff in here. Yeah, it has instructions. So there are instructions, and then it just has it right in the front and center. No weird way to get it out like everything else. Flip is very straightforward. It has a little plastic packaging around it. Has this plastic wrap around it to keep it nice and shiny in the case. And here it is. I will do a review on this soon, so thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos.